Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I am back with a project share. So this project is for it's a Linky party from Scrapdaworld. So she's been doing sort of a monthly challenge that you can link up, and you can win a prize, but really it's just fun to see what other people make and have a chance to go and visit other people's blogs, maybe create or maybe find some new crafty friends, and also creating different little cute and easy projects. So this one is a 3x3 note card holder along with the 3x3 cards and envelopes. So here it is. The size of this is about 3¼ by 3¼ So I may or may not add something to the front. I might add I thought about adding some gems or some, I don't really have any really good like red things that I wanted to add to the front. Here we go. Let's add, this is what I wanted to do. Let's add a few little things to the front. And there we go. Just snazz it up a little bit there. Okay. I like that. So here's the front. I'm using mostly authentic sweetheart, the leftover pieces. I have little bits of scrap that this was great for. I'm also using some main squeeze. So, and here is the side and the back. And I'm using some Martha Stewart ribbon, which I, of course, always wish that I had cut my ribbon a little bit longer so it's easier to tie, but I always cut it too small. And so it opens up like this, and now you have your choice. You could put all your envelopes on one side, all your note cards on one side, but I had used kind of thick paper for my envelopes because I was too lazy to get up and open another pack of white paper. So the envelopes fit, but kind of snug. And then my cards were kind of thin, and they just, so anyway, I just did 2 cards and 2 envelopes on one side, and then 2 cards and 2 envelopes on the other side. The other part of the challenge was to use washi tape and an embossing folder, just embossing. So here are my envelopes. So there's just plain white. I used my We Are Memory Keepers 1, 2, 3 punch. Just fit right in there. And then I just put some paper on there, some scrap. And then here are my little cards. And I used my favorite hearts embossing folder. It's a Cuttlebug folder. And then this is where I used my washi tape. So I have a little strip of designer paper, and then I just did a little strip of this gold washi, which works really well with the gold accents in the main squeeze. And then in the 6x6 main squeeze, you have these cute little cut aparts. So I just did a cut apart and attached it. And here's another one. It just fits right there. And then this side's the same thing. That envelope's the same. So here's my envelope, just plain. And then I just covered, this part with it. It's just like focusing here. And then same thing, I used my hearts embossing folder. And these, of course, measure 3x3. So you just take a 3x6 paper, score it in half, and you've got a 3x3 little card. And then, kind of popping up right there. So I use my washi, and then I just use little cut apart. And the cut aparts all have little gold in them, so it just seemed to work really, really well. And so let's put this back in here. So here I just covered the front of each little pocket with some scrap paper that I had. And then these are stickers from that authentic sticker sheet, just to kind of give it a simple decoration. And then it folds like this, and then you just tie it up. And so I'm probably going to, this probably will go into some Happy Mail is what I'm thinking. So if I do another challenge or anything else this month, then I might, pop that in to somebody's little bag or box or whatever it is that I'm doing. And even though it's Valentine's, I mean, I just feel like it could be given to anybody at any time. So if you are interested, I will link to Scrapdaworld's YouTube channel. I'll try to remember to link to her blog as well. That's where you link up. So if you want to go and visit all the other channels and see what they've made, that would be really great. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.